Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make a glass effect in Canva. So I'm just going to search for a picture here. You can use any photo that you want, of course. I'm just going to use this beach picture. Like that, and I'm just going to put it behind. Then I'm just going to copy and paste it. Oops. Hold on, let me make sure the image is cropped so that it's easier a bit later on. Then I'm just going to copy and paste that here. If you want, you can add like a square first so that you can kind of see where you want the blur to be. Hold on, let me just put this behind. Okay, so I want it to be on the like coconut bliss thing. I'm just going to remove this for a sec here. And I also want to have the edges rounded. Like that. Then I'm just going to use this photo and I'm just going to kind of adjust it to the square. Sorry, the shape. Again, rounding out the edges, and I'm just going to delete that. Select the image. Okay, so let me just put this behind first. Select the image, and then you're going to add in a line, maybe just 1 centimeter or 2, and color it white. Go to edit, go to blur, and you can blur it how many ever percentage you want. So I'll just do like around 55, 56, like this. You can, I think I'll blur it less actually. I still want to be able to see those waves. So like this much maybe. And then I'm just going to place it behind the text here. If it's too light, you can edit the image. So here, let me just edit this again. Go to edit and then go to adjustments, and I'm just going to bring it down a little bit and make it a little bit darker. Oops. Here. Then I'll place it behind the letter. Then, if you want, you can also add some shadows that don't really have a harsh line. So add one here. Then you're going to add one like on the side as well. Like here maybe. Okay, I'm just going to remove that. I'll just put it down here, but that is it. As you can see, it looks like a glass effect. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.